Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 33. Chlorination of public water supply is to A. Kill all vegetative germs, B. Improve the taste of the water, C. Change the pH of the water, D. Attenuate all harmful microbes, and E. Alter the water's hydrogen concentration. Now, before water can be supplied to the public, it has to undergo several steps of what purification. Several steps of purification. This involves what flocculation or coagulation, whereby this water is passed through large settling tanks where chemicals like potash oilums are placed in order to clump together big impurities, to remove them. Then after that, the next is passing this water through sediments in order to remove what fine particles. That's sedimentation to remove what fine particles. Then after that is now the what addition of chlorine. Now the main aim of addition of chlorine, which is chlorination of public water, is to kill what germs, vegetative or germs, which is option A. The main aim of chlorination or addition of chlorine is to kill these germs. Now after this chlorination, the next is then what the regulation of the pH of this water by adding calcium oxide. Now this calcium oxide helps to neutralize the pH of this water, which is also what alter the water hydrogen concentration or change the pH of the water. Then after that, other elements like fluorine and iodine can be added to improve the taste and quality of this water. But the purpose of chlorination or addition of chlorine is to kill vegetative germs, which is option A. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.